the sun's flash, we are arriving to our 7th master today. And let's go ahead and show what exactly that is. It's the use of comments in C++. So pretty straightforward really, nothing too complicated, but we do need to address it. So let's go ahead and open Atom. Alright, so what do we have here? We have our first ever code C++ compatible file, and yeah, we printed I am banana. But what happens if, like for example, I wanted to send this code to a friend through GitHub actually, or anything, and they don't really know how to use C++. They either use another language like Python, or really do not have anything to do with programming at all. So what I would do is put something friendly over here, like, hey, how are you doing? This is how you program in C++. Alright, so in order to do that, if I did this, that's not exactly really helpful because it's part of the line. And let's go ahead and save it right now. And run our terminal. First, G++. Let me just go ahead and check that everything is done. Oh wait. Okay. Okay. Let's compile it. Whoa! Something really weird happened. Those are a lot of lines. Huh. So something clearly went wrong right there. What could have gone wrong? Well, probably all of this writing now. Oh, this has nothing to do here. Okay, let's go ahead and open it here and have our code just like we are familiarized. That seems a little better, right? So we don't have anything except interfering really, except this line over here. But it's a friendly comment. Alright, let's go ahead and save it. Compile it again. Try if this will ever let us get to the bottom. Compile it. No, same mistake. So there is something wrong with this. So what you do with comments, since you don't want them to be interfering with your actual program, once you compile it and you run it through your terminal, what you do is put 2 slashes before it. And that way, the compiler knows to ignore everything that goes from the 2 slashes all the way to the end of line. So we're gonna go ahead and save it again. Try to compile it. And see, there is no mistake. But remember, we programmers do not say, oh, it's compiled, there is no mistake. So let's go ahead and run it. I am banana. Yeah. Alright, so that's fixed. That's amazing. And the great thing about comments is that they really do not interfere unless you want them to. And they can go over here as I showed in the example, or they can even go on the side of something really important and interesting, like this croquettes, these keys, like that, and it will not interfere. And now you can put 2 slashes after them to signify the start of another comment, and the end between, but they don't really matter. And the great thing about Atom, and why I like to use it so much, is that it will show you, it's all color coded, so it's amazing. And every comment will be like it's just part of the background in gray and a dark gray, and it will be in italic, so you don't have to worry about that. And so if you make a silly mistake, for example, put something right here, this. So we're going to make a comment, right? This does not make sense. The other things made a lot more sense than that, and then you'll see there's my code. Alright, that's good. Okay. Alright, so I'm trying to explain to my friend that comments can go anywhere, but not if you forget the second slash right here. So let's go ahead and try that again. See what kind of mistake we get, because you know we are going to get a mistake right here. It's a mistake, alright, but it's not as big. Why is it not as big as the one right here? Well, say we eliminated everything. Again. And write the first exact thing that comes to mind. Hello friend, how are you? It's the exact same thing that we wrote over here at the start of the program. So let's go ahead and save it and run it. Again, the mistake is not as humongously amazing as this one, and the reason why is because we started our coding with that line, and it is very, very, very illegal to do that. In order to start something, you always need to put include and a function. These aren't actually called functions. For example, include CMath, something that the packages of C++ can recognize, and that's the reason why we got such a huge line of mistakes. And they don't really say much, it just says basically you cannot start that. What's that? What are you doing to me? This is my retaliation. So let's go ahead and put that comment friendly in a friendly way. Then compile it again and run it. There you go. I am banana. We are all bananas at this point. Alright, so that's with the use of comments. We have to be just really careful about putting a double slash in this one. But other than that, you can put in 4 and the result 5, whatever you want. It doesn't matter because it already knows that what you're doing is a comment. It doesn't really care about if it has strings or values or integers. For example, I put main right here and include CMath. Even exactly type it the way it is right there. CMath, and it's not going to compile it again to Alright, so that's my comments. I hope it was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.